Welcome back once again. In this part we will design our login layout. We will add background color and custom design for our input field and our button. So for doing this we need to create drawable resource file where we can design our we can do our custom design. So drawable resource file and call it background color and OK. Now change this selector to shape and add a gradient, and first we need to add angle 45 degree and add a start color and int color. So now open this color folder and generate few color. Generate your color whatever you want. So I would like to choose this color. So copy this color and paste it here, and we can modify it later if we need to modify. And we need to choose another color, or we can choose this one, and this one is for our int color. So this color, so I think we need to change this color, and I think this one, and change this one and this color, not this color. I think now it's good. We need to change one more. Okay, now this dark. So now this one is good. Now we need to add our background color inside our linear layout. So add background, and we can call it background color. And we need to change our text color black to white. So Android text color, Android color white. And we need to create another drawable resource file for our edit text and button. So we can call it edit text background. Change this selector to shape add a gradient and select angle 45 degree and start color and int color, and choose a color and choose this color and paste it here, and choose another color, this color and this color. I think we need to change this color. Not this one, not this one, no, this one not good, and this one. Okay, now add a corner. We can call it top right radius 10 dp, top left radius 10 dp, bottom left radius 20 dp, and bottom right radius 20 dp. And now inside this edit text we need to add this one. So we can call it background color, or we can select background and select drawable button design, drawable edit text background, and we need to add a padding. Select padding 15 dp, so open this edit color, and I think we need to change this color, it's not looking good. And for this green we need to change, I think this one is good. Okay, this one is good. And choose color, text color, white, and text color hint is also white. Okay, now we need to same thing for our password field. So copy this 3 field and paste it for our password field. And add padding 15 dp. And add background, edit text background, and text color is going to be white. And select text color white, and for our last text color it should be white. So text color white. Now I think all done. And we need to define a input type